Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to our drive along Hecksher Drive in Jacksonville, Florida, one of the most scenic roads in the area. If you love peaceful drives with beautiful water views, marshlands, and a bit of Florida history, then you're in for a treat. Hecksher Drive is part of State Road A1A, a famous highway that runs along Florida's Atlantic coast. This road stretches through some of the most beautiful natural landscapes in northeast Florida, passing by rivers, marshes, and beaches. It's a relaxing and scenic drive, perfect for anyone who enjoys the outdoors. As we drive, we're surrounded by the Timucuan Ecological and Historic Preserve. This is a huge protected area, covering over 46,000 acres of unspoiled Florida wilderness. It includes salt marshes, hardwood forests, and important historical sites. The Timucuan Indians lived here for thousands of years, before the Spanish arrived in the 1500s. As we continue driving, you'll see plenty of water around us. That's because Hecksher Drive runs alongside the St. Johns River and the Intracoastal Waterway, which connects Florida's rivers and lagoons to the Atlantic Ocean. Overall, Hecksher Drive is a hidden gem in Jacksonville. It offers a peaceful drive through some of Florida's most beautiful natural areas, with plenty of places to stop and explore along the way. Whether you're a history lover, a nature fan, or just someone who enjoys a great scenic drive, this road has something for everyone.
watching.